Hey guys, I'm Dash and welcome back to my channel. Oh my god, it's been so long since I sat in front of a camera and talked to you guys, but recently, as usual, I've been super busy, but I'm so excited to film this video, which is the Fenty Beauty Slip Shine Shiny Sheer Lipstick, and I did all 10 of the lip swatches so you guys can see how each and every shade actually look on my lips. And before jumping into the swatches, I just want to give like a mini review right here. So like when I started swatching the lip swatches, because I started from the most lightest shade, which is according to the number code, I started swatching like from the lightest one to the darkest one. I was honestly thinking that okay, this lipstick is not for me. Everything looks so like it emphasizes the line, it's very moisturizing, but it feels like not a very nice look. But once you get into like a darker shade, because mine personally, I have a little bit like a pigmented lip, so my lips are a little bit darker, especially at the outer corner, so it really isn't like very flattering wearing very sheer type of lipstick. But when I reach like the shades that is 06, 07, 08, 09, oh my god, the lipsticks are really so pretty. And like this is my favorite shade that I'm actually holding right here. This is 07 Goji Gang, and I feel like this is definitely like my lips but better. It's like it's so moisturizing. It definitely feels like a lip balm. It's like a lip balm with a color, but you know how those tinted lip balm, this is more moisturizing, so it's very different with like the usual tinted lip balms where it's just like tinted. But this one is the perfect amount of color, the perfect amount of sheerness, and also it feels so good on the lips. I can't like express how good it feels on the lips. It feels like not sticky, very moisturizing. I feel like it will, how to say, it will wear off quite easily because of how sheer it is, but it is so easy to apply where I can just close my eyes and see, it didn't even go out of the lines, and it's very easy to reapply. That's what I really love about it. And do I recommend you like going out crazy getting all of the shade? To be very honest, please don't do that, because I feel that a lot of the shade are, as you can see in the lip swatches later, is like pretty much similar, especially the shades that I mentioned, 06 to about like 07, 08. The shades are actually very similar, just that what I like about it is because like 06 for example is retro rose, so it's a little bit more like a rosy mauve kind of color. But this one right here is just like, I don't know how to explain, because it's really my lips but better. So I actually really love like this formula itself. Formula itself is very good. Sheerness of the lipstick, I think you can get one, then you can like really enjoy the lipstick, no need to get like a few. But the last shade though, the last shade which is in the shade Bubble Rum, this shade is very unique, very special. The blue sparkle, as you can see later on, it's very unique. So enough of me rambling on. I really hope you guys enjoy this video, enjoy the lip swatches. As usual, I really love doing like lip swatches, and I have a whole list of like lip swatches from different drugstore brands and also high-end brands. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, enjoy the lip swatches. Don't forget to like this video, continue subscribe to my channel, and hope you enjoy watching.